Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Welcome back to our channel where we share the latest trends and ideas for home decor. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: stunning wooden and metal coffee table ideas that will elevate your living room. So let's jump right in. Industrial chic coffee tables. One popular trend in the industrial chic style, which combine the warmth of wood with the sleekness of metal. Look for coffee tables. The features a wooden tabletop with metal legs or a metal frame. This unique blend of material creates a contemporary and ageless look for your living space. Rustic reclaimed wood with from reclaimed wood with a metal base is a perfect choice. The weathered look of the wooden combined with the sturdy metal base adds character and a touch of history to your living room. Minimalist glass top with metal legs. If you prefer a more minimalist and contemporary style, consider a coffee table with a glass top and metal legs. The transparent glass creates a sense of openness and lightness, while the metal legs provide a sleek and modern touch. This combination adds elegance and sophistication to any living room. Mixed materials for visual interest to create a truly eye-catching coffee table. Experiment with mixed materials. Choose a design that incorporates both wood and metal in a unique arrangement. For example, a coffee table with a wooden tabletop and metal inlay, or metal frame and wooden accent. This combination of materials add visual interest and become a focal point in your living room. Customizable DIY coffee tables. Why not unleash your creativity with the customizable DIY coffee tables? Use wooden planks or a reclaimed wood top and pair it with metal legs or a metal base of your choice. This way you can design a coffee table that perfectly suits your style and preference. Get hands-on and enjoy the process of creating unique piece of your living room. And there you have it, fantastic wooden and metal coffee table ideas to enhance your living room decor. Whether you are drawn to industrial chic, rustic charm, minimalist elegance, or custom DIY projects, there's a perfect coffee table out there for you. Let us know in the comment which idea inspired you the most.